Tonight we're going to be having honey garlic chicken, garlicky fries. We're going to start off with a little olive oil, granulated garlic, and don't be stingy with the garlic. Roasted garlic that I roasted myself. You can buy this, I believe, at the stores already roasted, but I prefer to do my own. Okay, we got the roasted garlic. We're going to use a little bit of pollo. This is the pollo, the chicken flavor bouillon. Just going to put some in my hand. And we're going to use some Tony Satchers Creole seasoning. Stir it up. I'm going to add some more oil because it's too pasty. You don't want it too pasty. But you want to give it a good stir. You don't need a fork or a spoon. Just use your hands. Just mix it up really good. And it's always good to use your hands whenever possible. And I'm just going to put just a little bit of honey. Just a little bit. Stir that in. This is ready for the air fryer just that quick. We're going to let this bake for approximately 25 minutes in the air fryer. Now we're going to take the chicken and we're going to put it inside of the air fryer. And I'm going to have it on 900 watts. And we're going to cook this for approximately 15 minutes. Then I'm going to flip it. It's on, ready to go. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to get the potatoes ready. And what we're going to do with the potatoes, we're going to spray the pan. This is a really good air oven also. I've been using this type of oven for years. I'll take this out. Drop the potatoes in. Add a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of pollo. Some Tony's, garlic, and like I said, don't be stingy with the garlic. Mix it. It smells so good. And you know what? I started running my mouth talking about we finna cook, we finna eat, I'm hungry. I did not say, hey, this is your girl eating with Food for Thought Roberts. Welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my home, welcome to my channel. Please forgive my manners, everybody. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so at this time. Hit that subscription button, notification bell, comment, like, share this video with others, because whenever you hit that notification bell, whenever I upload a video, it might be something that you're interested in. This is ready to go, so I'm getting ready to turn this on. Over here on the other side of the kitchen, we're going to get our glaze ready. we're going to do, I'm using teriyaki, honey, and ketchup. This is about 6 ounces of honey. Just let that go. We're going to do about I can pretty much eyeball this. About 4 ounces of ketchup. And my teriyaki, I'm going to use, okay, that's 3/4 of a cup of teriyaki. And I want to add some powdered ginger to this. I know I have some, because I keep that kind of stuff on hand. And add a little bit of powdered ginger. Take you a whisk. It's always good to use a whisk when you're stirring and trying to incorporate things versus a spoon or a fork. And I'm going to put this on the fire and just let it do its thing. Everything is going to get nice and hot. Everything's going to reduce down. And see how good that stirs up with a whisk. Now I'll put this on low on the fire. The fries are not quite ready yet, but I just want to give you guys a look inside of this fryer to see how they're coming along. Once I have fries like this, for me at home cooking, I don't want no grease fried fries. You know, I'll put a little oil on the fries, but I don't want no deep fried and grease fries. I prefer oven fries, but they're coming along good. I'm putting the top back on, and I'm gonna get them back going again. And that's it. This is a cool little fryer right here. I like this. Our sauce is cooking up quite nicely. Whenever you're making a sauce, you always want to get your sauce on early. You don't want to wait till the last minute, because while other things are cooking, the sauce can be cooking too. Let's see what our chicken is looking like. OMG. Now this has been 25 minutes and I have not flipped it, but I'm getting ready to flip it, and this is air fried chicken. Cooked in the New Wave air fryer. So I'm going to flip that over, and once that's ready, I'll be back. The chicken is ready. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything plated up, but I'm going to take some the sauce and the chicken and mix it together, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to dump this chicken into this bowl. I don't want it too saucy, but I want it just enough. And let's get our sauce. It's been cooking for about an hour, let's say. Stir it up a little bit. Now we're just going to pour some in here. And just stir it. Dinner is served. Let me see. I'm glad I put my gloves on. This chicken is all that. I hope you'll join my channel, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts. Just hit that subscription button, notification bell, comment, like, share this video out with others. Let's see what's cooking over here. Let's get another fry. This is so good. And you know what else? This sauce right here that I got sitting in the sink. My hands with the sauce on it. Dip your fries in this. This is so good. Now you can make this with either teriyaki sauce or you can make it with soy sauce. I chose teriyaki. A good choice. This is good, y'all. Y'all better make y'all some of this. Anyway, I'm finna go. I'm hungry. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining me. Again, this is your girl, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts. Subscribe, like, comment, share. I will see you on the next video. Thank you to all my supporters. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all the people who just stop by, who don't subscribe, but who watch anyway. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate it. But I will see you on the next video.